In the mood for raw bar, ribs, and sushi? Boardwalk Billy's. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're gonna take you today to Boardwalk Billy's right here on the Waterway. Let's go eat some grub.
This is our second video for Boardwalk Billy's. We've got another one.
And we have our son in town, and he absolutely loves sushi. So we're gonna bring him out here and show him some real delicious and good sushi.
And see if he likes this sushi.
And as you can see, they have it decorated for fall. A lot of the places around here are ready for the fall holidays. Look at that pretty display up there. Now, I'm not sure if y'all have seen the video Yachts for Tots, but Boardwalk Billy's is also a great opportunity to see the light show Yachts for Tots at night. The boats normally turn around right here, and this place is packed. So we're going to start with the starters, and we're going to show you the menu, so if you do decide to come here, you'll already know what you want to eat. They have nachos, soup, salad, and wings. I mean, it is a very extensive menu. They have boardwalk burgers, sandwiches, wraps, tacos, entrees, baskets, a shucking good time, oysters, sushi appetizers, sushi, and I'm gonna have to ask my son on some of these.
What was the name of it?
Sushina.
What is that called?
Sashimi.
Sashimi.
Oh,
What does sashimi mean?
Okay.
Just means like without rice.
Oh, okay. Right, and as you can see, they are very busy on a Saturday. It's nice and cool and perfect weather, but don't worry, like I said, there's plenty of seating. They have picnic tables, high tables, low tables. They have pretty much all kind of seating for anybody. And at night, the scenery is just as beautiful.
So if you come down here on the lower patio, you can see there's a lot more seating, and you can play the ring on the string game there. And on this side of the fire pit, or fire seating, they've got a small kids area where the kids can play. And if it's cool enough outside, you can sit right here and they'll crank up the fire and you can sit at the fire. They have plenty of seating under this sheltered patio area here. And additional seating in the back. Plenty of seating. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get the Caribbean chicken sandwich as a meal, but I think we're going to get some kind of sushi as an appetizer. Now, what are you going to get? All right, I just realized that the last time I was here, I got the Caribbean chicken sandwich. So this time, I'm going to get the chili cheeseburger. What y'all think about that? She got the chicken wrap last time.
And I think I might go back with the chicken wrap.
And she's going to go with the same thing again.
All right. So I don't know, and we're not too sure about this, but Brendan just We're going to do this for Brennan. I'm not sure what that is or that or that. Okay. So that was like way too fishy for me. I should have just ordered the spring rolls. But the boys are liking them. So what do you think, Brendan, on a scale from 1 to 10, how's their sushi here compared to other restaurants?
It's good.
It's a 10 or a 9?
Like an 8.
All right. He said it's about an 8.
And here's a look at the chili cheeseburger up close. You got your tomato, your lettuce, your cheese, of course the chili. And I went with the home, what's it called? Home fried potato chips.
So Brendan decided to go with the specialty roll. I went with the Callie.
Yum, what's it got in there?
Looks like bacon, ham, everything. Tomatoes, lettuce.
Oh, wow.
So get on your yacht and pull right up to Boardwalk Billy's. Well, there you have it. There was a look at Boardwalk Billy's, and boy, is it windy. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you can have lots of fun too. See you in the next video. Okay, so don't forget your soy sauce, and Brian, you're going to use your little...
I need the rubber bands for this.
Okay, here we go.
I think it's
like a candy, right? That the Asians eat.
And that was octopus. I'm going to stick with the peanuts.